Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video, and today is day 21 of Speaking English series. And in today's video, I will be discussing about a lot of things which you should do, you know. And I'm so sorry for not uploading video on yesterday. Actually, I was really tired because I went somewhere, and actually I went for my college to find out a college so that I can take admission in. And also I was very confused that I should take college, whether I should college or not, whether I should, do open university or everything. But now I finalized that I will go to I'll go to college, and I will watch and observe the surroundings and everything. So yeah, let's get into the video. And today I will be discussing a very important topic, that is actually, before going college, starting something new. I know people get nervous, people feel nervous. At the same time, people, we people are very curious, or very much not indulged in it, because nowadays the time is not we have less time, because we have to take admission in college, and we have to learn a lot of skills so that we will get internship. And yes, before going to college, please note down that you have to build a skill, you have to develop a skill in yourself, because nowadays people, whatever you are doing, skills are very important, very very much important. If you have a skill, definitely you will be able to do any kind of work. And yes, starting something new is not at all easy. It is absolutely very much, I can say it is very it is a very tough work, and you are getting out of your comfort zone. I know how much patience and how much time it takes. So yeah, definitely whatever you are going to do, please understand, plan, then execute. Three rules are there: understand, plan, and then execute. Because without understanding, you will be like, what I'm doing, what I'm going to do, like that. So yeah, so today's topic is like, just get out of your comfort zone. Definitely, without getting out of comfort zone, you will be not like the better version of yourself. If you're going for the further studies into another state or another country or another city, you should keep in your mind that how much patience you need, how much confidence you need, how much you should build yourself. I'm actually not saying that people will be not able to do that. I think absolutely they will be able to do that, since I am getting out of my comfort zone, because I have never gone to the city without my mom. I have never gone to another city or another country, alone. I always went with my father. I've always gone with my mother, parents, or brother, not alone. But alone going is very important. When when you go against your comfort zone, you definitely understand the concept of independence. Whenever you start something, you go somewhere alone, you understand how independency plays important role. How does it play? So definitely, if you are thinking to go outside, please go out of your city or from your parents, because from that you will understand that financial independency, physical independency, mentally independency, how important is that. Independent word, now from the research I have noticed that from the very beginning in Japan, till 6 years, people or teachers work upon child's development, like they have to do their own work. I mean, if he or she is in school, he will or she will do her work or his work by his or her own, by herself or himself. Definitely. And from that, they will understand the concept of independent. How important is that? From sixth, from a child, we should, in India, we should also, give the education of, that you should not depend upon us, matlab, upon parents. We should depend upon ourselves. Like if I want, if that work is not for you, you should do for you. I mean, you should do for yourself. From that, you will understand the concept which Japan wants to convey. But in India, there is, I don't think so. There is that kind of education. But yeah, definitely you should understand, because doing everything, before doing anything, people get nervous, people get panic. But and also I researched that in Japan, 3 years old girl or boy was doing his was cooking actually. How important is that? It plays an important role, because whenever you, I'm so sorry, whenever you play, like, whenever you learn to how to cook, how to how to wash utensils, how to clean the floor, mop the floor, definitely you will understand the concept that every student is same. In India, mothers mothers treat her children like that you should not do your work by own. I am here, I will do that, I will do your work, like that. But this should not happen like that. And yeah, that's all I want to convey. That is very important, that if you're going out of your comfort zone, definitely you will learn a lot of things, learn how to get independent, how to solve all the problems, how to how to deal with problems, how to go somewhere alone, how to develop the skill, how to everything you will learn when you are going out of your comfort zone. Like I am going against the comfort zone, because if I want to speak fluently, definitely I need I need not what to say, I need not to start after perfection. Perfection does not come, but you should you should make them perfect. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you loved the video, you understood how important is that. So today's topic is get out of your comfort zone. It is very important. So yeah, that's it. And from tomorrow I'll definitely try my best to come with a good content, because I finalized the college, and I will apply the form after since after first merit list, second application will be commencing. So I'm checking out, and a lot of things going on with me in my mind. No one understands actually. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. So yeah, subscribe to this channel, click bell icon for notifications, and please make this video viral. Also make this channel of 200 subscribers. Thank you. Bye bye.